Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off accessibility shortcut on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to turn off the accessibility shortcut can be helpful if you want to prevent accidental activation of accessibility features or if you no longer need quick access to those features. It allows you to customize your device settings according to your preferences and needs. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, you have to go to the settings menu. Well, so now scroll down till you find special function and tap on it. Okay, after that, scroll to the very bottom and then you can select accessibility option. Well, so here, tap the first option. After that, turn this toggle off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off accessibility shortcut on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.